Hey everyone, in this video we are comparing T-Mobile versus Verizon in 2026. To answer one simple question, which carrier is actually better right now? We will look at coverage, speeds, plans, pricing, and extras. So let's get started. Network, coverage, and reliability. Verizon is still known for having the most reliable nationwide coverage, especially in rural and remote areas. If you travel a lot or live outside major cities, Verizon usually has the edge. T-Mobile, on the other hand, shines in urban and suburban areas thanks to its expanded 5G ultra capacity network. Coverage in cities is excellent, though it can still fall behind Verizon in very rural locations. Winner at this point is Verizon for coverage and T-Mobile for city use. Speeds and 5G performance. When it comes to 5G speeds, T-Mobile often comes out ahead. Its mid-band 5G delivers faster average download speeds in many areas. Verizon's ultra-wideband 5G is extremely fast, but availability is more limited, meaning you won't always get those top speeds. Winner, T-Mobile for overall 5G speed consistency. Plans and pricing. T-Mobile is usually more affordable, with simpler plans and taxes included, which makes billing predictable. Verizon plans tend to be more expensive, but they offer flexible options and premium tiers for power users. Winner, T-Mobile for value, Verizon for premium choices. Extras and perks. T-Mobile includes perks like Netflix, Apple TV Plus, and international roaming on many plans. Verizon offers bundles with Disney Plus, Hulu, and strong add-ons for families. Winner here, there is no winner. It is tie. It depends on which services you use more. Final verdict. So which is better in 2026? Choose Verizon if you want the best coverage and reliability, especially outside cities. Choose T-Mobile if you want faster 5G speeds, lower prices, and even better value. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.